Oh, that's annoying. What is that sound? Oh well, guess we keep on playing. Oh, it's not annoying! I think that the dog in trouble. That does sound like the dog crying. So why? Somebody abandoned this dog.
Two little girls just playing one day. They found a little dog all alone and abandoned behind an old pile of woods on the street.
Nope, it stopped.
They could barely make out that it was a dog. It was so dirty. Its eyes looked like they'd been glued shut. It looked like it was covered in cement. It was all bones. Who knows how long it's been there. But they didn't want to give up.
Ow!
They're lucky that they found it when it did. Who knows how many more minutes this dog has left to live. They found an old piece of rope. It came in handy because if they would have left that dog behind, it probably would have been too late. When they came back, it might have been dead. Carefully wrapped it around his fragile little body, and they tugged as gentle as they could. Oh, it's no use. We need to try harder.
I think I've been untangled. Okay. I think it's tangled inside of this. I think I can help too.
The little dog couldn't see, but it knew somebody was helping him. Oh, the dog was so happy. Finally, for the first time, it was showing love. It was so happy.
Let's go wash this dog up, okay? Come on. But this is our last one. Let's give it to this hungry one.
They washed the dog. Finally, you can start to see that it was a dog after all. They washed off the glue off its eyes. And it's starting to look a lot better.
Oh, poor little thing. Look at its ear. That's okay.
The dog was having so much fun. After one day of loving and giving it lots of hugs, it grew its leg hair and tail hair back. Oh, it's starting to look better after all. After day 2, the rest of the fur grew back on its stomach and back and its front legs. Like that, boy. The dog was looking better and better. The thing left was just a little head.
So I think the dog grew its head and towards my butt. It's so cute. I love it. I didn't know it's gonna be a tiny rescue. America. Want to do another dog rescue? Yeah. Come on. I hope you like this rescue story. And if you don't know who this is Sandy. So make sure if you hear a dog in trouble, you make sure to go check go follow its noise, and then if it's in trouble, go save it. Okay, bye.